Dear students, today we discuss that one simple topic in first year of M1 mathematics. To find the characteristic equation is very important topic. Once again, repeat, in first year mathematics 1 engineering syllabus, to find the characteristic equation of the 3 by 3 matrix. 2 minus 3 1 3 1 3 minus 5 2 minus 4. This is one of the 3 by 3 matrix. To find the characteristic equations is very important topic for the studying for engineering students for mathematics 1. Formula: lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equal to 0. Once again repeat, the formula is called as lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equal to 0. It is one of the important formula. Here, to find the value for unknown s1, s2, s3. So what is the meaning for s1? S1 is called as sum of the main diagonal elements. In our matrix, this is the main diagonal elements. So it is a main diagonal elements. You are adding for these values. So 2 plus 1 minus 4. You got the value for 1. It is called as S1. Next, you find for S2, that is capital S2, sum of the minus of the main diagonal elements. The word is very important for minus of the main diagonal elements. Once again, repeat. S2 is called as sum of the minus of the main diagonal elements. What is the meaning for minus? Minor means deleting one row, one column is called as minor. Deleting the one row, one column is called as minus. Here in our matrix, this is called as main diagonal elements. First we did deleting for the first row and first column. That is the first row and first column. What is the remaining? 1, 3, minus 2, 2, minus 4. 1, 3, minus 2, minus 4. It is the 2 by 2 matrix. 2 minus 4. This value I put here. Determinant of 1, 3, 2 minus 4. It is the first element, main diagonal minor. Second value, deleting the second row and second column. What is the remaining? Deleting the second row and second column. The remaining element is called as 2. Here I put 2. 1. The value is called as 1. Minus 5. Here minus 5. Minus 4. Minus 4. Next is the last value. Deleting the third row and third column. Deleting the third row and third column. What is remaining? 2 minus 3. 3. 1. That is the deleting the third row and third column. 2 minus 3. 3. 1. Sum of the main diagonal elements. S2 is called as sum of the minus of the main diagonal elements. To find the value for determinant value 1, 3, 2 minus 4 plus 2, 1 minus 5 minus 4 plus 2 minus 3, 3, 1. Here, using the cross multiplication rule. What is the cross multiplication rule? A, B, C, D. Here, the formula is called as A, B minus B, C. It is the rule of formula for cross multiplication. Here you got the value for 1 into minus 4 minus 4, 2, 3 minus 6 plus 1 into, here you cross multiplication minus 8, here minus plus 5 plus 1 into 2 into 1 2 minus plus 3 3 9. Here you add the value minus 10 minus 3 11, that is called as minus 2. Then to find S3 is called as determinant of A. S3 is called as determinant of A. That is determinant of our matrix. Once again repeat, plus minus plus. So 2 into deleting the first row and first column, you got the value for minus 4 minus 6. Next sign is called as fixed, minus 3 into minus 3. Deleting the first row and second column, you got the value for minus 12 plus 15. Minus 12 plus 15. Last value, deleting the first row and third column, you got the value for minus 6 plus 5. So plus 3 2 plus 6 plus 5. Again simplify 2 into minus 10 plus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 11 11. You add the value, you got the value for 0. Once again repeat, what is our characterization formula? Here lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equal to 0. It is our formula. You substitute the value for s1, that is s1 value is called as 1, s1 value is called as s1 value is called as 1, s2 value is called as minus 2, s3 value is called as 0. Here you got the value for 2 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Here that is lambda cube plus lambda square minus 2 into lambda equal to 0. It is a final characteristic equation. Once again I repeat, find the characteristic equation of the 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix formula lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equal to 0. To find s1, sum of the main diagonal elements, that is called as sum of the main diagonal elements. What is the sum of the main diagonal elements? 2 plus 1 minus 4 equal to minus 1. It is one of the answer. Next, find the value for s2, sum of the minus of the main diagonal elements, that is called as you got the value for minus 2. S3 is called as determinant of A, the value is called as 0. You substituting the three values S1, S2, S3 in equation number 1. You got that final equation is called as characteristic equation.